Hi, Lori from My Little Wonders Legacy. Today we're gonna make bird's nest, also known as haystacks. My recipe today, what I'm gonna make for you guys is the butterscotch peanut butter. I'm gonna take one package of the butterscotch chips. I'm gonna put them in on a double boiler. I'm gonna get these melting, and then after this is melted, that's when we're gonna add in the peanut butter. I'm gonna use a 5-ounce container of the chow mein noodles. Oh, I can't. Woo! Popped open. Let's see. Just for measurement wise, it's approximately 3 cups worth. So that you have that. I'm going to quickly grab our hot pad. I'm going to set up the cookie sheet with wax paper. This is going to end up going right into the fridge for cooling. So I'm going to go quick grab our butterscotch chips. They're all ready. Now add to the hot melted butterscotch chips. I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon. We don't want it to get too thick. And I have crunchy peanut butter. So I've got 1 tablespoon crunchy peanut butter. I'm going to quickly stir this in. It smells really good. Now we're going to add in our chow mein noodles. I'm mixing this in really good. You can also use cornflakes if you don't have them, rice Chex, any kind of cereal that you enjoy, maybe Rice Krispies. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna scoop these onto our baking sheet here for you. Take these, shape them into little nests. While these are still warm, we're going to want to grab our little eggs and add them in. That way it'll stick to your little birdie nest. These are so fun for the holiday. You could also make these for like a little garden fairy tea party, or they don't have to just be for Easter. These are so fun and so cute. And a different flavor. It's got the butterscotch peanut butter. So that changes up your flavor a little bit too. Last one here on this tray. Put them into the fridge for about 20 minutes. Get them to set up. My bird's nests have been in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Aren't they just so cute? Very, very good. Enjoy. Thanks for being with me. If you like this video, hit the like button. Consider subscribing along with the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos.